sorry, but this video is gonna be kind of short, so guys, I'm sorry. It's just I don't really know what to talk about, but I feel like making a random noise right now. What about another one? That's so awesome. Okay, I'm gonna be saying some jokes. Okay. What did the sock say to the bragging shoe? What a shoe off. That was awesome. I'm sorry about that. My brother is annoying me. Anyways, I have some toothpaste that I'm going to give to Morgan because I have some and she really liked it. And so I got some more from my grandmama and I'm going to give it to her. It is called Aquafresh Clean Whitening, the mint experience with microactive foaming action. Toothpaste hates iPods and YouTubers, but it's got really bad aim too. Not all the time. Why are you booing me? What did I do? What did I do? That was fun. What? This is scary. This again, that's great. Please save you. Like I said, this is gonna be a short video. Shut up already. Guys can be annoying sometimes. Sorry. Anyways, I gotta go. Goodbye.